Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and OPPO Reno 6 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV. At the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your phone swipe down notification bar, extend it and search for Screencast or screen mirroring function. Then you can tap on it, agree and continue. And now select your TV. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.